Yep, good morning. Today we're headed out to Detroit. We got 3 cars going, 7 coming. Let's get it, man. Since it's getting colder, I added a little bit of fuel to the lower temperatures. It seems to be leaning out. Alright, the first car we're loading is a Jeep Cherokee. Once we get this where we want it, right about there, we're going to throw it in park, put the e-brake on, roll the windows up. This next car is a Tesla Model 3. I like to fold my mirrors in. It gives me a better angle of the ramp and just seeing everything in front of me. And for these Teslas, they have us go in and power them off so that way the doors don't try to lock and it saves battery. I didn't record the last car being loaded because I was talking to somebody about it. It's a 2013 Mercedes E63 AMG. But here's a time lapse of the sunrise and the drive there.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special.
Making my way downtown.
No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. Your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need.
And here we are at the exit ramp about 4.5 hours later. You can see the vending machine off in the distance right there to the right.
Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, no need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind.
wagon. It sold for $29,000. I'm kind of jealous. And we're rolling out of here. I could have done this load 50 different ways, but this is the way I did it. So don't be hating. And now we're making our way back downtown. And I got about 37 minutes of drive time in this little time lapse. This is our current situation. Looks like we blew some sort of coolant line or something. I'm not sure. It's all down the side of the truck and everything, but this seems to be where it was leaking the most. Everything up here is all dry, but of course the reservoir is empty, and the truck was yelling at me to stop the engine. Yep. Now we're waiting on a tow. This comes with the territory. This guy ended up being really cool. He had his 8-year-old son with him, and it was about four hours drive back, and we were chatting it up like the whole time. Well, it's 14 hours later. Made it back. Tow guy ended up being really cool and everything. But man, breakdowns are not fun. Like, it took 3 hours from breaking down just to even pull on out of there. Heading home now. Made it back home. The Eclipse is in the driveway. That didn't break down. If you made it this far, probably like and subscribe. You say bye?
Yeah.